So you might be having issues where for some reason your AT&T cell service is just not working. So this can happen for a lot of different reasons, but the first thing you have to keep in mind, as I mentioned before, is that if you're in an area that just has a really bad signal, so maybe you're in the middle of nowhere, you're maybe in the middle of a forest, or quite potentially you're in the middle of a city, and the city maybe doesn't have any good signal there either, well, you're pretty much going to have to get to an area that has better cell signal. You can also try seeing if your device and your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling or Wi-Fi texting. Majority of the time that's the case. So you can always just connect to your local Wi-Fi hotspot or Wi-Fi area and you'll be able to get signal that way. Now another thing, let's say you're in a good area and for some reason your signal's still not working, well you may just want to double check your SIM card as well as your eSIM. If you have an eSIM on your product like an iPhone 14 Pro, if you have an older one like a 10R or a Samsung Galaxy S10 or whatever, and you have a SIM card, I would recommend checking out that SIM card, inserting it in, inserting it out, and seeing if that ends up fixing it. Sometimes that can probably be the reason why it's not working, and that's probably all you're going to have to do. Now, if that's still not working, you may just want to make sure that your carrier and you basically you've paid all your bills on your carrier, making sure you have nothing no missed payments or anything like that. Because if you miss a lot of payments, they may just cancel your plan. So you may just want to make sure that's not the case either, because like I mentioned, that can definitely happen for sure. If that's still not working, well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over to a website, either like downdetector.com or isitdown.com, and you want to see if AT&T is on here. Usually you can see right here, like Spectrum is on here all the time. If you're having lots of issues like that, you may just want to make sure that it's not randomly down. As you can see, AT&T is right here. If for some reason AT&T is like number 1 here, and there's like a big spike, well, that basically will tell you that AT&T has an issue, and all you're going to have to do there is pretty much wait it out until they fix the problem. So that pretty much covers it up. You can also try rebooting your phone too. That's also helped a couple times. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.